Hello. So I have finally been able to finalize the configuration of the RaceCapture track. I have installed the external sensors, so now I'm able to monitor AFR, I'm able to monitor oil temperature and also oil pressure. Uh, this is the RaceCapture unit. You can see it here. It's connected to a splitter, and then it's connected to analog X, and then from analog X I connected one sensor to the oil filters sandwich plate, and this is the temperature sensor, and the oil pressure sensor to the other port of the sandwich plate. And then I have connected the final sensor to the AFR gauge, so I'm able to see AFR, oil temperature, and also oil pressure. So if I start the car up, you will immediately see now it's you will immediately see the AFR, oil coolant, SSD, oil temperature, oil pressure. I have now 6 bar oil pressure. There's high oil pressure now because everything is cold, and then slowly this will actually come up. I've also, as you can see, I've also been able to program what color the gauge will be, what color RaceCapture will show. So it's blue, you know, because everything is cold. It's blue. When those start going up, I've programmed those to be somewhere around 80 to make sure that blue goes away, and then I have SSD at 70. So when the temperature is at 70 here and 80 here, blue will go away, and it will let me know that I'm ready to use the car. I'm ready to push it. Coolant is also start to go up, and actually you can kind of very easily program those. So if you go into here, you will see a customize button, and here is where you're able to customize the colors and the gauges and everything. So I also have to pop up an alert when it goes above 120. So this is it. It was a very fast video. This is what I wanted to show you, just to show you how everything is working. I'm very happy because I'm able to see all the important information on my car. So I can easily see oil temperature, SSD temperature, oil coolant, and pressures. From time to time, there's a bit of miscommunication with RaceCapture, as you can see here. But I guess this will be fixed in a little upgrade. So coolant, I programmed it to be at 50. So now, when coolant is above 50, blue is now gone. If it goes above 120, you can see customize. If it goes above 100, sorry, then between 95 and 100, the gauge will turn red, and over 100, I will see an alert flashing on my screen. This is it. So I can see a lot of information, which for me it's critical, especially when you have a car that is tuned. So my car is tuned, SSD is tuned, engine is tuned, so I can monitor all this information. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.